Okay guys, this is a little bit more detailed video on how to set this up. First thing you're going to do is you're going to open up two accounts, okay? First you're going to come to accounts, click real account. You're going to open up a live ECN account, currency, or whatever your currency is, right? Whatever your currency is. And then leverage 1 to 500. Click terms and conditions, click create account. You're going to do that twice. I'm not going to create an account because I already got accounts created. You're going to click it once, then you're going to come back and you're going to do it again. You're going to have two accounts, all right? Two live accounts. Next thing you want to do is you're going to go to invest rating. You're going to type in, when it comes up, you're going to type in ANE for an easy way to hit enter. Okay. Now, the one you want to connect to is an easier way to trade, a skill set for life. All right. This is the one you want. Make sure it says a skill set for life. All right. Click this one. You're going to click invest. Leave your money. Now, your money needs to be in your wallet. Okay. Don't put any money into those live accounts yet. The money needs to be in your wallet. Okay. So the amount of investment, see right here, if your money's in your wallet, then it'll show it right here. It'll have your money in the wallet. Whatever your money is in your wallet will be right here. Then you can put in how much you want to invest. The minimum is 300. Mine says less than zero right here because I don't have anything in my wallet. My money's in the account ready to go. All right. But it's going to be right here. Whatever's in your wallet is the amount you can invest in. Okay. So the take profit, you're going to say 1 million. The reason we do that is because if you have a take profit of say $400, say your account's 300 and whenever it reaches 400, it's going to close you out of the copy in profit, but it's going to close you out totally and you'll have to come back in and reinvest. Okay. You have to start all over again. So we say just put it at 1 million. That way it won't disconnect you. Stop loss is going to be how much you're willing to let your account go down to. Let's just say, you have 300 starting and your account gets down to $100. You put 100 and your account gets down to 100. It will again close you out of the copier. It will stop trading and close you out of the copier. Okay. Your withdrawal amount is the account that you want your profits to go into. Whichever one of those two accounts you want your profits to go into. So you click one of them and then click deposit. Okay. And that will put your money from the wallet. It'll subtract that money out of your wallet into that, your trading account. And that's all you have to do. Now, once that is set up, you can come down and look at, back to accounts, come down and look at investments. All right. And you will see your investment account right here. Right. You'll see your account right here. All right. And it'll show. It'll have an edit button over here if you want to edit your stop loss take profit. If you want to put more money, a transfer button if you want to put more money into your account. You'll have all that right here. That's all you need to do. All right.